Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory and one stock. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So our view is getting correct. So it is making a higher high so far. And now so far it is what we discussed about this yesterday. That could be a right labeling. So now this is the invalidation zone for this labeling. So now it's become A, B, C, and this is becomes W. This is a connecting wave of X. This is A, this is B, and this is the C. So one wave count, either you can make it as an whatever it is that up to Z or Y is completed, one three-way structures. Here it is completed. As of now, we discussed about that yesterday also. If it breaks that, it becomes an again WXYZ, but not to break this high. So now and here also it's doing higher high. So now we are on that bullish, but this is a shorter term, or either it can be converted into the bullish, that we can't say. But what I said yesterday itself, once the three-way structure is got completed, we need to be in buy side, and we are in the buy. And I already said that I'm in the buy some stocks, and I already again individual stocks I accumulated a lot of things yesterday. And from here, how I'm looking. So now we already broken this channel trend line, downward trend line. So this also we can see exactly. That is why that I love the technicals. That broken trend line, downward trend line, it's got a retested here in the zone, and again it bounced. So once the broken trend line is got retested, and that is a chances for making a one more high, making this as a stop loss if you're an intraday trader and if you know the Elliott waves that much. It's a very simple one. So look at this. This is A, this is B and C. So here also this A, this is B and C. So this becomes a B, and one shortfall is a C, and it retested here exactly this zone and bounced. So now so far it's looking like a 1A. We can make it this as a blue color to identify easily, and this is the B and C. So whether we can't know whether it is going to be A, B or C, or this could be a fifth way starting for this could be a 1 and 2, and again if it comes like this, that could be again the intermediate one also, or it could be a WX, or this could be again ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and one more C. See, these are all the lot of possibilities, but what I'm expecting is bullish. Whether it is going to be a little bit complicated for the fourth wave, for this what I explained in that positional chart, this is the third wave got completed. We are in that fourth wave. Whether it is got completed here, or it is going to make a one more complex correction of irregular flat, or it's a running flat corrections or running triangle, it can do anything, but we should be in a buying side. As of now, from yesterday onwards, we need to be in buy side. But how it going and how it will convert into the impulsive wave, or it could be a correction, that is impossible to do a prediction here. It can be anything. So just we need to, what we have to do is we already did. So just watch. That's it. So now how I'm expecting, right? So now from here it can do like this, or either if it is a deeper correction, again one simple, see how this simple correction is got completed, like that this is also the simple correction, it's got completed. So it could be again one more three-way structure, like this kind of wave formation it can do. So that means this is a W, the bigger W, this is a bigger X, and one more three-way structure to reach that what I expecting, that 17,600 also. It could be a bearish also. So then how it will be like this one is three-way structure is got completed. Okay, we will make it this as a three-way also, otherwise it could be a little bit confusion. So now I'm just drawing the here, this is got completed here, and now we did here like this. So from here what I'm expecting, it could do like this also. Otherwise from here, after the three-way structure, it can do like one more three-way structure, or it could build a impulsive wave to the upper side, or it could do that irregular flat formation. It can break this high, and later onwards it can do like this. It could be anything. So we can't come to a conclusion it is going to shoot. It can be, yeah, one ABC is got completed, again the ABC is got completed. It can be a bigger correction to reach that 17,600 also. So the only thing we have to do is watching this portion, that yesterday is low. That is the main key point here. We have to watch this. If it breaks this, then there will be again the three-way structure. It could be a deeper correction. It can reach up to that 17,500 to 600 zone also. So that we can predict how much deep it can go. That means with the help of the Fibonacci retracement in that 4-hour chart, just we can predict this wavelength. For the third wavelength, the 23.6 is 17,800 zone, and 38.2. So within this zone we can expect to reach, and then again expecting for the bounce in that fourth wave to complete the fourth wave, and then one more correction, sorry, one more impulsive wave for the fifth wave to reach my target of 19,500 plus. So this is my view so far. And let's move on to the Nifty. The same thing, it's in that morning itself it has become flat, and after the Europe session it's become bullish. So if we look, you forget about this wave count, you forget about this. As of now it looks like what I shown in this, whether this is a five-way structure and this is the three-way structure, and here it looks like a five-way structure. This is looks like a five-way structure, and again whether this is a five-way structure or this is the three-way structure, that is not identifying here. Even though if it is in 5 minutes also, somewhat it's here, it's missing. It looks like it's not able to do calculate here also. So either it could be impulsive or anything here, and we are expecting that impulsive wave. So far it's here also completed that five-way structure. So whether this is a this is a B or C, or it could be a 1 2, and again this could be a 1 2 3, or this could be like this. We need to watch for that further impulsive wave, or but the invalidation for the bullish wave count is this is the one. Mind that this is the one. If it breaks this, again there is a lot of chances for again the bigger three-way structures to the downside to reach that 17,600. That same wavelength, minimum that 78.6 to 1 length, it can happen here. So what about the next one stock? Just it's Apollo Tyres today. So my wave count in that daily, make it this as Archo, and this is the weekly chart. So the five-way structure is got completed. After that the corona drop is the end of that downtrend. So this becomes an either A or 1, and this could be a B or 2. That is not yet completed. So until it breaks the high, we are chances to break this low, but definitely it won't to go this 99%, because it looks like a bullish five-way structure here also, and we are in that correction. So let's move on to this daily chart. So whether you can understand this A or 1, and this is could be a 2 or B, and we are in that C or third wave. So now we can move for that 4-hour chart. And if you are so following me in that all that social medias, you can understand and you can go through this previous and 1 2 3 4 5 waves got completed, and we are in that second wave or the B wave. Why I'm making this as a and B means because if it is a C also and it is a third wave also, this could be a 1, not the A. But what I'm trying to explain here is whether if it is a B wave or it could be a second wave also, there is a chances for making from here also to one more high later onwards if it can do like this. So then the whole thing becomes the three-way structure here, then the three-way structure here, and that one more three-way structure that will become a running flat on that second wave, or this could be a B wave also. See, these are the possibilities in the forex market, what I'm trying to explain. But this is the equity market. It won't do like this in my experience for the past 1 year. We are expecting the complex correction, but it is not doing as per the forex. It's in the equity, it is doing only the simple correction, and it's very fast also, very aggressive. So in my experiences, as per the previous 1 year experiences only, I'm talking about that. So whether this could be the end of the 1 or A. So now here, if we look into this, you forget about this, I will remove this 1 second. Yeah, see from here how it is doing. Only the all that is looking like a three-way structure. So far it is doing only the three-way structure, nothing else. And one stop and one is a steep one fall. So whether it is going to make a one three-way structure and again one fall to break this, then this whole thing becomes a WXY if it breaks this. Otherwise you can make it as a B or C, but even though it is not a ABC, it's a WXY. So then later onwards it could become a this B or 2. But from here, 1 second, I will just delete all those things. This one, B can, 1 second, yeah, this is a one strong to the downside. If it moves like again one strong and it's already broken this high, so that could be irregular flat formation. This ABC is a, so the whole thing becomes a B, and one C can do like this. Later onwards, this kind of fall can happen here also, because it's all making a three-way structure. So now we have to wait for this to break, or this low to break, or this high to break. But I'm in buy side. Apollo Trias, I'm in the buy side because the 5-way structures got completed. We are in that either it could be a simple or it could make at anything else what I'm expecting here, and it will definitely reach that 350 to 400 zone in my expectation. Even though if it is an irregular flat formation also, if we kept this as a 1272, 1 second, yeah, from here the high, that rejection of the second, the 1272 is 367 and 14 is a 400. So within this zone I'm expecting the shorter term target for if it is an irregular flat formation. So from here it is nearly 50% is there, nearly 50, minimum is 50%. So let's try, and I am in the buy side. So hope you enjoyed this talk, and as my previous pre-market predictions, hope you are enjoying, and thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next for the tomorrow for the pre-market predictions. Have a wonderful day to everybody. Thanks a lot.